Assessments are a powerful way to achieve favorable learning outcomes and assure course completion for an online course. In C4EBridge, you can add assignments and quizzes to your courses. A quiz is made up of one or more questions associated with a specific lesson. If a quiz is present, a Take Quiz button will show at the bottom of the screen instead of a Mark Complete button. The first step to create a quiz is to head over to the Course Builder. Go to Courses, select Manage Courses, and then select Build TOC under the course title. Expand a section to see the lessons and select the Add a Quiz or Edit Quiz icon. To add a new quiz, select the Create New Quiz button. At the top of the quiz panel, you will see your quiz title, which you can edit via its text field. Total points, the cumulative number based on how many questions you have and the value you have assigned to each question. The Published toggle button, which allows you to publish your quiz after adding your questions. And delete the quiz. There are two main sections within the quiz panel. They are General Settings and Manage this quiz experience. By default, they are open. You may close the sections by selecting the Collapse or Expand icons on the right side of the panel. In the General Settings option, you will be able to do the following: add a permalink URL to your quiz, add a quiz description and/or XAPI package as part of the quiz, change the minimum percentage of total points required to pass the quiz, limit the number of quiz attempts, implement a maximum time limit for taking a quiz, enable learners to see the correct answers to any questions answered incorrectly, display the questions in a random order. Hover over the question mark icons to learn more about these options. The options under Manage this quiz experience are as follows. Record XAPI data. If you've added an XAPI package in the description, use the toggle button to enable recording of the data. Additionally, assign a competency to avoid rejection of your XAPI analytics by the Learning Records Store, or LRS. Enter a name for the verb. Add an action name or phrase for the verb. This name is displayed in the statements. For example, John Doe completed Course 1. You can enter any action you wish. Select an ADL verb URL. This is a live ADL verb list, and you must select an activity ID URL. Hover over the question mark icons to learn more about these options. Collapse or expand all questions. When you have added multiple questions, use the Collapse or Expand All buttons to open or close all the questions at one time. To add a new quiz question type, select the Add Question button. Next, pick the type of question from either the Basic, Advanced, or Other options. Enter your quiz question. Hover your mouse over the right side of the question to collapse, clone, or delete the question. Add additional points to each question. A higher number indicates it is more heavily weighted in the overall total points. If desired, you can add a description, image, or video to the question. Select the toggle button to add one or more of these options. Submit your answers. To select the correct response, simply click the choice. To add an answer choice, select the plus sign. To delete an answer choice, select the minus sign. If there's more than one correct answer, select the Multiple Correct Choices button and then select your answer choices. To add feedback for the question, select the Result Clarifications button and enter your feedback. This feedback will be seen by the student after they complete the quiz on the quiz results screen. To add additional questions, select the Add Question button. When you are ready to publish your quiz, select the Published toggle button. Prior to publishing a quiz, it will be accessible by admins or instructors, but not learners. To save your quiz settings, select the Save Changes button. If you decide not to use the quiz in its current lesson, but want to save it for another lesson or course, simply detach it. If you want to return to your Course Builder TOC, select the X button in the top right corner of the panel. To clone a quiz from another lesson or to attach a quiz that is currently not associated with any lesson, select the Add Existing Quiz button. A drop-down menu will appear allowing you to add an existing quiz. To search for one, scroll through the list or enter its name in the text field. Once you've added your quiz and the learner has completed it, you can review its analytics. View the Quiz Reports video tutorial next. Thanks for using C4EBridge, and as always, you can find more information and see more how-to videos at members.c4ebridge.com/tutorials.